Welcome! Now I got Nokia G50 5G, and now I'm showing you how to change screen recorder sound settings into a screen recorder. So first step, open your top bar and find screen recorder button, this one. If you don't get this button, click to pencil and find this button on the both blocks, and then press and hold like this and drag to top button. So click back for saving, and now press screen recorder button. So press it, and here we got record audio option. So click here to see another option. So for example, device audio or device audio and microphone. And to turn on this option, click here to switcher. This like turn on, this turn off this option, and click start to start your screen recording. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.